as Apple seems to have finalized the dates of its next big event. According to tech journalist Mark Gurman, Apple is reportedly aiming to launch its latest line of smartphones on September 7. The iPhone 14 lineup is expected to feature 4 new models: the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. We've got news about the production of the A17 chip coming next. Now, mobile phone chip expert on Weibo advises that the new A17 chip is going to be a 3nm chip set, and it will of course be used in the iPhone 15 Pro models. This year iPhone 14 Pro models are going to use the A16, and the non-Pro models we use a modified version of the A15. We're going to be retaining the A15 Bionic chipset inside the iPhone 14. The iPhone 13 Pro Max had a bezel size of 2.42mm, while iPhone 14 Pro Max expected to have 1.95mm bezel. An iPhone 14 Pro Max will give a couple of more hours of battery backup than the last generation iPhone 13 Pro Max. As with the previous leaks, we get our iPhone Pro Max screen protector showing for a pill hole display. In the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro Max event, we aren't just getting the iPhone 14 lineup, but also iOS 16. As we've just been saw by rumors, as seen here, the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max is likely to get about 10% increase. The iPhone 14, we get a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display. It's expected to be an 1170 by 2532 resolution, and many sources claim it is 90Hz display. And we will be getting 6GB of RAM inside, but we'll have the storage options of 128, 256, and 512GB. We could be getting upgrades 256GB of storage this year. The iPhone 14 Pro Max comes at 6.78-inch OLED display, with a resolution of 2778 by 1280, and will have a 120Hz ProMotion display. Again, that is A16 Bionic with 4 efficiency cores, 2 performance cores, and 5-core GPU. We get the new titanium body, and then we're going to get triple camera lens and the LiDAR sensor. The battery will be a 4,352 mAh battery, and coming in at $1099 US. Every year in September, Apple holds its annual launch event, which has since to a hyper-polished and highly produced live stream event. Since the pandemic began, Gurman has stated that the event will include the launch of Max iPads and 3 Apple Watch models. What are your expectations from upcoming Apple event? Will it gon' be a massive opening for the iPhone 14 series? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.